Thank you for tuning in, guys, and today we are making a refreshing juice, and as you see in the title, it's pineapple starfruit. So let's jump into it. So the first ingredient we have is a pineapple, and I'm using fresh pineapple that is peeled and chopped. Up next we have our starfruit, so that's the star of the show. So yes, we are using starfruit and pineapple, so that's our next ingredient. And then up next we have some chopped ginger, so we're combining ginger, pineapple and starfruit for this refreshing juice today. Stay tuned. Also guys, if you don't know what a starfruit looks like, this is how it look. It's have a really long fruit, and when you cut it, it actually show a star, so that's why they call it star fruit, I think. But it is also very juiceful and it's refreshing. For this juice that we are doing, we're not going to be adding any sweetener. If you want to add sweetener, then you can add sweetener of your choice, but I'm not going to add any sweetener because it's refreshing, and also because I'm not doing a lot of sugar in this season. Okay guys, so based on the amount of fruits that we have, I'm only doing 2 blending batches. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my pineapple. So I'm putting half of the pineapple in the blender. I'm not using a whole lot of water because the starfruit, it has a lot of water in it. So that's half of the pineapple, and I'm gonna put some of the ginger. I don't want it to overpower in this time, so I'm not putting a whole lot of ginger in it. And then we're going in with our starfruit. So that's basically how I load my blender. The blender has a point that I don't want to pass. It's right here and a little bit above it, but that's okay because the starfruit is kind of chunky. So yeah, so that should do it for us. And all I'm going to do next, I am going to pour a bottle of water on it, and I'm not even, let me see how much. Yes, I'm pouring a bottle of water on this, and I'll do a bottle of water on the other batch that we are going to make. So this is how I blend my pineapple and starfruit for a refreshing drink. Have a strainer ready, and we are going to strain it. So all you do, you blend, and then you just pour it in your strainer just like this, and you have it dissolve from the strainer. I do like this. You can use a spoon if you want, just to get the juice from the remaining blended process. So you can use a strainer. Some people use a cheesecloth, so you can also use a cheesecloth if you want. And like I said, you can use a spoon. I'll show you that. So you can just have a cooking spoon and you can just press it like this to get out all the juice so you're not wasting anything. So yeah, so that is how you do it. What I am going to do is just continue pressing it until it's literally dry, or the juice just stop dripping, and that's how you extract the juice from it. And it's already smelling refreshing. I can smell the ginger flavor and everything combining together. It's a good combination. It smells good so far. So what I am going to do, guys, I am going to continue to blend, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so I am going to pour out the juice in my container here because we're finished the blending process. So that's the color, that's how it looks. And what you can do now, guys, is just put this in the fridge and have it chill. Right, I'm gonna pour some in a glass here, and then so that's what it's kind of looking like. And then I use a piece of my starfruit to just add a little garnish just like that, and I cover my container. So this is what our pineapple starfruit juice is looking like. It's a refreshing drink that is filled with vitamin C and antioxidant, and I love this drink. My aunt always make it, and I always like to have it, but she normally add a sweetener to it. Guys, if you don't use sugar and all those stuff, you can also use apple to sweeten it if you'd like. But like I said, in this season I am currently not doing any sugar, so this is exactly how I am going to consume it. So yeah, so this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's grow a family this year, and yeah, and let's get monetized this year too. Don't forget that part. But yes, this is exactly what it's looking like, guys. Let me just hold it up and show you one last time. And I have a little garnish there. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.